Kostet 1 Million. Na, das muss ich weit von entfernen.
So I'll just get a 39-second one.
Alright, we're going to start off slow. We'll pick up speed as we get past the trees and we'll be able to top in under 3 minutes.
Platinum. Also ich habe schon Platinum. Hast du auch noch was? Nee, ich bin Platinum auch noch. Und du bist Platinum. Combined Emerald Stage.
Coming into view, we have the largest granite outcropping in the world. What you guys are seeing is only 10% of the mountain. The other 90% is underground. It goes down 2 to 3 miles and stretches out 10 miles to the east and 2 miles to the west. Next, we have the carving. The carving spans out 3 acres. It is 90 by 190 feet, and it goes 42 feet deep into the stone. It took 47 years to create, starting in 1925, ending in 1972. The only we pass by the blue car this time look like they're going a whole lot faster, but we are going the exact same speed at about 12 miles. We are running on the same cable line, so honestly, I'm not sure why it looks like they're speeding by. If you guys look out, we can see the city of Buckhead and also Sandy Springs. Buckhead is sitting to the left, Sandy Springs to the right, and the mountain in between both cities is Kennesaw Mountain.
What year was the stone done? What year did, yeah.
Interest rate booster alle Welt Amerika.
1925 issues way, 1970
Interest booster
finishes.
Also wenn die 0,5%
Die Carving, ja.
20% No F,4 Unlimited. No fees. Mortgage reduced. $600. Home equity, interest rate, discount, auto loan discount.
Alright, we are going to do 2 tilts over the towers. Feel free to hold on to something or someone.
Platinum, was 50, 10, 12 pro Jahr, Mortgage reduced, ja, das ist nicht so viel.
Currently, we are 1,683 feet above sea level and 825 feet above the surrounding area. Once you all get on top of the mountain, meaning on top of the rock, if you look to your left, you can see the city of Atlanta. We are going to bump as we move into the station, but it's normal. And once we come to a stop, I'm going to get this door to my left open. You guys are going to get up and exit to the right and into the double doors. We are departing every 20 minutes, but you're welcome to stay up for as long as you like. Once you're able to come back down, just come back inside the building, wait inside, and someone will come assist you. You all enjoy and thank you for riding.
So we are doing another one to get back on schedule.